Well, here we are in the Mozzie Mansion. Got a little bit of work to do today. You may have seen my last video, the Little Red Rooster in lockdown. What you didn't see at the end of that video was what happened next. That wasn't supposed to be the end of the video, but that's where we stopped making that film because this happened. So we investigated what the story was, and we found out that we'd broken off the bolt on the gear selector drum that holds the little star disc in place. We tried to fix that up. We tried to use an easy out. I went through 3 easy outs trying to get that out. In fact, I managed to snap one of them off inside the bolt. You might think that that's the end of the story, but it's not, because I have a plan. Well, here we are. Spent most of the day here pulling the old motor out, put the new one in. I think I've got it all hooked up, ready to go. Can't see any bits missing off it. Haven't put the plastic back on yet. Haven't put the bash guard on back yet. That's not important. Might throw a bit of gas in the tank and see what happens. Oh yeah, probably wouldn't hurt if I put the gear lever on as well. That might be a good idea.
Nick Minute.
It's alive! It's alive! Stay tuned for another exciting episode in the life and times of the Little Red Rooster.